News highlights of the day. Visit Almaty appoints Salvia promoters as official representatives in India. Signet Hotels and Resorts signs luxury property Anamore Select Resort and Wellness in Goa. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal announces 57,000 crore rupees investment to boost Kandla port capacity. Sumna Bose Chaudhary appointed Director of Sales at the Westin Mumbai Powai Lake and Lakeside Chalet. The Fern Seaside Luxury Estate Resort relaunches in scenic Moti Daman. Star hosts successful networking event in Dehradun to explore hospitality growth opportunities. Now news in detail.
Salvia Promoters has agreed to act as Visit Almaty's official representative in India. Visit Almaty is the official tourism organization of Almaty, Kazakhstan, by highlighting Almaty's distinctive attractions to Indian tourists.
Under its upscale Anamore brand, Signet Hotels and Resorts, one of India's fastest-growing hotel chains, has announced the signing of Anamore Select Resort and Wellness in Mopa, Goa. During the event, Mr. Sarkar said,
Hello, this is Sarvendra Sarkar, founder and managing director of Signet Group of Hotels. Today we have signed Anamore Select Resort and Wellness in Goa. This event is a very long-awaited event. We have signed today this 150 keys luxury hotel brand. Very, very innovative product, unique design, sustainability, along with the wellness. And Anamore Select is a greenfield project. It is going to be, open end of 2026. And apart from this Anamore, another 6 more Anamore under developed, starting from the Maharashtra Karjat, Alibag, Murud, and Pushkar one, which is going to be open next year, or maybe end of this year. We are planning December 2026 is planning to open. If it is not, this January 2026 is going to be open sure. And we have a Srinagar coming up, which is Srinagar is the Uttarakhand Srinagar, which is Alaknanda, facing the Alaknanda river. It's a 80 yard villa, which is unique designing. With the all villa will have a swimming pool, a helipad. It's a super luxury and unique design resort. Then we are coming up with the near the Navi Mumbai, which will be 500 keys, which is 300 keys is the resort, 200 keys the service apartment. We have a 45 properties, our 25 are operational, 15 are pre-opening, and 25 are in the project. And hopefully this year will be 15 hotel is going to be open. This year will be one of the hectic year and the best year for us to opening a hotel, because hotel was taken in India in 2024 month, and we have a lot of greenfield project was slow. Now they is taking a faster pace and opening every month there is a one hotel.
In a significant move to enhance India's maritime infrastructure, Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal, today unveiled 2 major initiatives aimed at increasing the capacity of Kandla port.
एक में अनेक हैं जी, एक में अनेक
होके खुद को पाले, आजा कुंभ आके देख।
त्रिवेणी संगम की शरण में आओ मिलके साथ जी,
आत्मा की तृप्ति का है मौका आया हाथ जी।
कुंभ आके देख,
गलियों में है रंग बिखरे, चेहरों पे है नूर भी,
है अनंत से भी ज्यादा कुंभ में कुछ और भी।
एक में अनेक है जी, एक में अनेक, होके खुद को पाले, आजा कुंभ आके देख। एक मानेक छेरे एक मानेक, ओ करिलोने ಎಂದರೋ ಮನಮಂತ ಒಕ್ಕರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲನೇಕ ಮಂದಿ ಎಂಬ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ, ಹಾರಿಯೇ ಪದಿ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಮೇಲದೆ, ಏಕ್ ಮಧೆ ಅನೇಕ आहे, एक मधे अनेक, स्वतः हरवून सापडू
The Westin Mumbai Powai Lake and Lakeside Chalet Marriott Executive Apartments is pleased to announce the appointment of Sumna Bose Chaudhary as the new Director of Sales with over 14 years of experience in the hospitality industry.
The Fern Hotels and Resorts, India's leading environmentally sensitive hotel chain, has relaunched the Fern Seaside Luxurious Tent Resort in a picturesque new location in Moti, Daman.
You are watching Travel World Online.